Hi, my name is Bill Newman. I'm with Yealink Network Technologies, and today at InVision we're going to be displaying our new A24 personal interactive display device. As you see it currently logged in, it's logged in using personal credentials, so you get all of your personal Teams desktop app solutions such as making calls, calendaring, Teams channels, chat messages, file control, all the things that you can do in your desktop app, you can do on this device. Also, if you sign it in with a room credential, you'll get the generic, the typical Android-based Teams MTR interface. Now, one of the things that makes this device unique is that it also serves as your PC display, and it has on touchscreen control for your PC. It can also support an additional HDMI input. So there's multiple ways to use this, and we have a wireless cell phone charger built in. To learn more about this, please visit www.yealink.com. Have a nice day.